Halor ke Jingiadei Umpling, Superintendent ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Syiem, ulai tho bagani ka Khynnah bakat South Snem karta karan ke Jingiadei buoi Khynnah hakani ke Shnong la artayo. Bad akasni bagaja akapor ko bandru bajie kalami na yeng mane kendo ino Khynnah shenrang, bad akapor babro ki Shnong ngene wat kadan be yeng jong. Hadin balalap ini ke Khynnah la phano eka bande ke medical check up bad hadian kania lai tino ashki bahayeng. Kat ba yau deu Khynnah ki pulit kila register mo kaduma persya yu namar balalap unu shenrang u lahe berkakan thai kadek berangret karta.
Our response mechanisms also is one such whereby we had looked at CCTVs and all that. The BSF was very helpful in providing their CCTV. The CLG where we work with the Shnong, and I was personally in touch with Bapundro, the Shnong of Umpling and all that. And they were able to provide us the ground information and all that, information from the family and all that, for which we could actually know exactly what is the position of this case and how to respond and to act. So accordingly, different stakeholders had, different response teams had come, be it technology, be it patrolling, be it combing, be it NACA. Everything was actually put in place in a few minutes only. This whole response mechanism had actually panned out. Reached the age of majority. He is having a relationship with a girl. They've been having a relationship for more than 2 weeks. They've been in touch with each other. And yesterday at about 6:45, 6 side and all that, she had left home on her own and met with the boy. And the girl was in the boy's house. So here we've registered a case. A missing report was actually initially filed, and after we found the boy and we found he's in the age of majority, while she's a minor. So we have taken a case of abduction and wrongful confinement. Right now he's being produced in court, and the girl has been medically examined and she's been handed over to her family. Right. Kabo Jingiadei pulit haba ngidon ka case ni Henry kan awan pa Jingiadei pada ni hable hi wari ka jishai te babunsin hi pagba hi tentang bun hi bo nget kini ki Khynnah ba dan te ki bri bo mas ni wan te kali ba yong ni tam ta jak ki Khynnah te Henry kari ka kamram chuni hi complaints will come tama kari kamram chuni hi barwa jisha dia kata kawai ngalapan ngalaban kata kaba kibrio kimde ban ai kinutinu ki Khynnah ne ki Jingiadei ki bamde ki pelong lamler Henry kan ketok lai ki te ya kan ki don kam pati chut ho ba kim na man shu ai ki re ka pen klumar dia bara ka pen klumar kan lang sa lang ka pen klumar ki no ka Shnong ka pen klumar plet ru chaka ban concentrate kini ki case ki ba di sha ba sha penyam ne sha ram bor shisha tu pakai tisu divert nak energy juni kumsi tu kes kali kita maham kau berkawal tu ki pana na kayeng di bandung ki mentor hai ki dan kata ka jenis lock jenis jan kenapa tip what is happening in the lives coordination and coordination and cooperation with the local stakeholders, the Tatpa, the Sixhandar, Singh, Longkumes, that coordination through the community liaison group. That coordination is very important. That is already there in place. Also, the kind of infrastructure we have for safety, street lighting, the illumination around the places. If a place is dark, then criminals also are more. They feel it's more emboldened to actually commit any crime. If you have CCTVs, we've been doing that. We've been taking up this thing that every guest house, every office establishment, every business house, every hotel, and all that should have CCTVs, at least one CCTV facing the road. That's very, very important. So we're emphasizing on all these safeguards. We're emphasizing also on patrollings, both with the VDP and the police. We are trying to encourage more VDPs in the city. We have very few VDPs in the city because the numbers if there's a condition that you have to have 25 and above, we bring that number down. So we're encouraging more VDPs and to work in tandem with the police, because police, you can't police every place. So the VDPs are there, they are first responders. In case there's an LO problem also, in case there's a mob frenzy, there's a mob outburst also, the VDP is always there to not only look after the victim, but also sometimes you have to protect the accused also. Okay, because we cannot allow the crowd or the mob to take law into their own hands. So this coordination and this working in tandem with the VDP and also with the community stakeholders like the developer is very, very important. Apart from that, infrastructure is a lot of assets in place. We've seen the smart city, it's really helped the police. So many places have been covered with smart city and all that, and it has really helped. We just want now, but crime is not committed in very centrally located places. Crime is mostly committed in places which are the corner, which is dark alley and all that. So we need more CCTVs. Urge people in their residence to, at least when you put CCTVs, not only to put CCTV inside your house or in the compound, but at least place one CCTV from your gate towards the road, because the perpetrator of any crime will always come from outside. He's not from inside. Yes, it's good to have inside, but you have to have one at least outside. So now we made it conditional for all guest houses, for hotels and all that, to have CCTV, at least one facing the road. So that is very, very important. It has helped us solve many cases. It has also made it difficult, like you've seen in the Nongra case also. The first case where the 4-year-old child was killed. There was a CCTV, but it was not working. And there are also cases where there are CCTVs, but not not facing towards the road. And also there are also cases where you don't have CCTVs at all. So it becomes a big disadvantage for the police. And if you have these things in place, it's a deterrent for criminals. It also helps crime detection.